It's been 75 years India got independence. But are you financially independent? Or at least are you on the track to get financial independence or financial freedom? Hello, everyone. Welcome to this very special video on the occasion of India's 75th Independence Day. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you what is my resolution that I have taken to be financially independent. So, when we start earning, everyone wants to be financially independent. But for that, there is certain step that everyone need to do. We need certain discipline to follow so that we can achieve financial independence, financial freedom as soon as possible. So here is what I have taken resolution that I'm going to follow strictly this upcoming next year. So the resolution number one, first is no new loans. Any kind of loan I'm not going to take, either it's a personal loan, home loan, or anything. That is my resolution, which I have already taken. Why so? Because the thing is, the moment anyone is taking loan, we are in a kind of a trap. Unless it's not required, very much urgent, which everyone should avoid. This is my resolution number one, that no new loan. And second one is I have already two loans. One is that home loan, and second is the car loan. A little bit amount is still pending of the car loan, so which is I'm going to complete. So at least one loan I have to complete in just coming few months. This is my second resolution. And third one, definitely the home loan is a kind of a longer loan for longer duration. So at least one additional amount I have to pay in this 1 year. At least one, definitely I'm going to try to make two payments of the monthly EMI. So that will be definitely additional to the monthly EMI what I am paying each and every month. And third one is strict to budget. So every month I have started following a specific budget, whatever income I'm getting. So I have planned my expenses and to be strict on the budget, what is already planned for the specific month. And when I'm saying budget, it's not like just income and expenses. First income, then plan your investment, where you want to invest, how much you want to have the investment done, and then come all your expenses. So in this way I have planned, and this is what I am following, and I'm going to follow it much more, the strict way. And the fourth one is no any specific limitation on education or any books purchase. Because if anyone, or if you want to grow in your life, it's learning is much more important. The much more in you invest on yourself, it going to come in the return in much, much bigger, much larger way. So I have no any specific budget only for this specific thing, which is called what, self learning education, buying books, enroll myself in a specific course for any additional knowledge related to my domain. So this is what is my next resolution. And further, if I talk about one more very important thing is in order to achieve financial freedom, financial independence is not to depend only on one source of income. Definitely, everyone should have multiple source of income. So my resolution is I am already working. I have to create one additional source of income. This is much more important for me, and I'm working hard to achieve this. And if I say that one more thing, what I have planned right now, no any specific expenses or investment, I would say, on materialistic thing. Have to focus to gain experience, because experience are much more important things. So this is my other resolution, that no materialistic thing, focus and only on gaining experience. Either whatever you can get experience by traveling, you can get experience by getting some knowledge, watching those things which are giving you certain experience, which is adding something in your life. So this is my focus. And the last resolution, last but not the least, that whatever I'm getting earning, of that 5% I have to give back to society, either in form of charity, donation, or in any way. This is much more important stuff. Why so? Because thing is, whatever you are, or any individual is on that stage, it's not like from day one you are on that part. In life, we are growing. So definitely it's our responsibility to give back to society. So this is what is my resolution, that at least 5% of my total income, I have to give back to society in the form of donation, charity. It could be maybe to the religious places, it could be for the child's education, anything, but definitely at least 5% of the income I have to allocate on this specific area. Anyway, I'm working on this from long, but it's not 5%, but right now I'm going to make it 5%. This is what resolution I have taken on this Independence Day. What is your resolution? What step you are going to take to be financially independent in your life? So just comment below in this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share among with your friends and family. Thank you.